Okay, here's a video of what your notebook is supposed to look like so you can check that you have it all set up correctly. If you made some mistakes, I'd like you to do your best to correct them so that you're set up for success moving forward. So the first thing that you want to do with your notebook is to write your name, your hour, so like 4th hour, 2nd hour, and then 6th grade science. That way, if your notebook gets lost, it can be returned to you correctly. The next thing you want to do is number your pages up to at least 15 for now. So the very first page is page 1. The back of the first page is page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the odds should always be on the right side. And the evens are always going to be on the left side. It's really important that you get the page numbers correct, otherwise the organization won't make sense to you later. Then on the inside front cover, you're going to have the interactive notebook grading rubric taped in, inside front cover. Page 1 is blank. I'm going to try backing up and see if that makes this a little easier to see. Okay, page 1 is blank. Page 2 is left side output, and it has like a bingo board on it. Page 3 is the right side input, and it has something that looks like notes on it. Page 4 is your scientific word wall directions. So you're going to tape this in. And then on page 5, you divide your page into fourths, and you put A, B, C, D, because we're making a little mini word wall, kind of like a glossary. And then page 6, E, F, G, H. 7 is I, J, K, L. The order of the letters doesn't matter as long as you have the right letters on the page. M, N, O, P. Page 9, Q, R, S, T. Page 10, U, V, W, X. Page 11, Y, Z. Page 12 is blank. We're going to be doing something with that. And then page 13 has the learning scale, and you can see that I taped it in sideways because it fits better. So that is your human body tracking sheet. It goes on page 13. Page 14 and 15 should be labeled Science Starters as a title, Science Starters. I haven't written it in there yet either, so you're going to title it Science Starters on those 2 pages. Then you're going to go to the very back of your notebook, and on the last page, you're going to tape in your clock partner promise and your clock partner sheet. And then some of you have this envelope and some of you don't because I ran out. So if you have it, it should be taped on the last page. And if you don't, we'll be getting more. So that's how you set up your notebook. If you're all done, good job, you did it. And I'll be teaching you how we use these as a learning tool over the next couple weeks, and we'll be using them all year long. I can't wait to see your awesome scientific notebooks. Have a great day.